Understanding, to lose one's style. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, to lose one's style. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it's packed with nuances and uses in everyday English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. To lose one's style refers to a situation where someone loses their distinctive manner or approach in doing something, especially something they were previously well known or admired for. It can apply to various contexts, such as fashion, work performance, artistic expression, or even social behavior. The key aspect here is the loss of a unique or characteristic way of doing things that sets an individual apart from others. 1. Fashion. Imagine a celebrity known for their unique fashion sense suddenly starts wearing very ordinary or unremarkable clothes. People might say they've lost their style. 2. Work. Consider a graphic designer whose work was once bold and innovative but has become safe and predictable. Colleagues might comment that the designer has lost their style. 3. Art. An artist known for a specific technique or theme who changes their approach to something more mainstream might be viewed as having lost their style. 4. Personal behavior. A person known for their charismatic and lively personality becoming quiet and withdrawn could also be described as having lost their style. When using to lose one's style, it's important to understand the context. This phrase often carries a connotation of regret or disappointment. It suggests that the change is not seen as positive or that something valuable has been lost. In conversation, you might use it in a casual discussion about a mutual acquaintance or a public figure. In writing, this expression can be used to critique or analyze the work or behavior of someone, especially in formal reviews or opinion pieces. Remember, it's a nuanced phrase that should be used carefully, especially to avoid offending anyone. To lose one's style is a fascinating expression that captures the essence of losing one's unique touch or flair. Whether it's in fashion, work, art, or personal demeanor, understanding and using this phrase correctly can add depth to your English conversations and writing. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you grasp the concept. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to express yourself in English. Thanks for watching.